This time we are looking at the design of Galaxy S23 Ultra with the new design of S23 and also S23 Plus. Every single design change that you might expect from S23 Ultra and S23 will be here, and this is almost confirmed what kind of a design we are going to get on S23 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Start from the bottom of Galaxy S23 Ultra where you can see the S Pen slot. Look closer, S23 Ultra's S Pen tip looks bigger than the S22 Ultra, and Galaxy S23 Ultra sides are much squared off compared to the S22 Ultra, where we can see the rounded corners. Now due to this squared off design, if you look at the sides of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you see S23 Ultra looks much thicker, and it is thicker due to flat display. As per confirmed news, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with much flatter display, but don't expect complete flat just like the S23 or S23 Plus, but a slightly curved, which makes S23 Ultra looks much thicker. On the back, S23 Ultra will going to come with slightly bigger lenses, and you guys better know why we are getting bigger lenses, as Samsung is going to put the new 200 megapixel sensor in the S23 Ultra. More details on this later. Let me know in the comments, flat display or curved display, which one is your personal choice? And if you are looking for Galaxy S23 Plus and S23, then you guys can get slightly different back design, where this time we are getting the same design just like the S22 on S23 and S23 Plus. Will come with the bottle-less lenses, except this, everything is same as S22 or S22 Plus. And if you talk about what added features we are getting in the design of S23 Ultra, then you will have more durable glass on S23 Ultra, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is much more durable than the last generation, and as per reports, S23 Ultra can bear the drop on a harder surface, and in a lab test, it can hold about 1 meter drop on a harder surface. Not only that, Samsung also added this new glass on a 200 megapixel main sensor, which helps to keep it safe and will improve the quality and low light imaging. Samsung plans are out and confirmed by multiple tipsters including exynos that S23 Ultra will be out on the 1st of Feb 2023, 7 days earlier than the S22 Ultra, and phones will hit the market after a week or two, and you guys will get some great pre-order deals, maybe $200 Samsung credit. If you guys want to see the real 200 megapixel camera sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.